The Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe says it now has a clear roadmap to restore the Zimbabwean dollar as the country's sole currency by 2030. Zana vina mashoko buda panguva inoi achibuda The Bold Truth wanyora vachiti RBZ plots Zim dollar comeback by 2030. But can Zimbabweans ever trust it again? Zana vina mashoko equation yekuti as Zimbabweans are we going to put our trust on our komana ava? That was subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tiendra Berimo Mchinzi, marking yet another bold attempt to revive a unit many citizens have long abandoned. In its new 5-year strategy plan from 2026 to 2030, the RBZ claims businesses are pushing hard for a return to a mono-currency system, now branded Zimbabwe Gold Zig, which replaced the Zim dollar in April 2024. The plan promises stability, better quality banknotes, wider use of Zig for taxes and government payments, lower bank charges, and clearer rules to protect US dollar savings during the transition. The RBZ also says it wants to end currency discrimination that favors the US dollar and to make local borrowing more affordable. But beneath the glossy roadmap lies a deep trust crisis. After decades of hyperinflation, demonetization, and policy U-turns under ZANU-PF, many Zimbabweans simply do not believe the central bank can safeguard any local currency now or in the future. Doma developments aripo panguva ino tiona people vachidhauta aiwa this comeback Zim dollar comeback iroda kuitiwa aiwa nevakomana vefinance by 2030. Tiona the RBZ ichimeka a plot yekuti by 2030 aiwa mazim dollar anenge akufunctiona akutendera akushanda nyika yeZimbabwe, but at the same time people they are not trusting them. They know kuti pane currency failures akaitika kubva kudhara. Pinda comment section medu zofungura emo pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.